Hi, a very good morning to everyone. Welcome to Taiwan Excellence Sustainable Innovation Challenge online briefing. Hi, everybody. My name is Ashley Yo, and it is my great honor to serve you as your moderator in this afternoon. Now, this event is specially brought to you by Taiwan Excellence in conjunction with its participations at Architects 2023. What I understand today, our dear friends who are joining us are from two different universities. One is from University Technology Malaysia, and the other one is from University Tunku Abdul Rahman. Can you keep a text in the chat, right? Where are you from? If you are from UTM, then you text UTM. If you are from UTAR, then you text UTAR, okay? So that I know how many of you, okay, are from UTM and how many of you are from UTAR. All right, I can see that the chats are coming in already. Okay, great to know that. Wow, okay, that's like quite a fair number of UTM and UTAR students. Hi, everybody. Once again, welcome to our online briefing today. Now, maybe you have a question in mind of like, what is Taiwan Excellence? Now, to give you an overview, Taiwan Excellence is an annual recognition program that awards the best products that made in Taiwan. To help you to better understand, you can think of the halal logo that we always see that's printed on the food and beverage packaging, or even sometimes you can see at the restaurant. When we see the halal logo, it just simply means that the food are prepared in a halal way and it is safe and suitable to consume by our Muslim friends. Now, as for Taiwan Excellence, it's similar. When you see Taiwan Excellence logo, it also means that you know the product is best made in Taiwan. It has good quality as well as high quality in terms of its innovative value. Now, at this time, I would like to invite you to watch a video of Taiwan Excellence for you to get a glimpse of what is Taiwan Excellence. Please put your focus onto the screen.
Taiwan Excellence empowers innovation in everyone's life. We keep moving forward to a wonderful tomorrow, dreaming amazing dreams and living fuller lives. Everywhere, every moment, every day. Taiwan Excellence, everyday excellence.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. And yes, Taiwan Excellence, everyday excellence. Taiwan Excellence is an annual recognition program that awards the best product made in Taiwan, which go through a very stringent process in terms of its selections, which is cover the aspect of R&D, research and development, design, quality, as well as marketing. The award is initiated by the Ministry of Economic Affairs, MOEA, since 1992. It is now recognized in 102 countries. Now, if you do a calculations, it is like 31 years. Probably it is elder than you, right, the brand. So it also means that this brand is an established award, and at the same time, it comes with credibility, and it symbolizes quality, innovation, and Taiwan's reputations as a leading producer of high quality products. Now, in this year, we have 10 brands of Taiwan Excellence will be sharing the most innovative products at Architect 2023 with the theme Green Living. Now, with that, Taiwan Excellence has come up with the Sustainable Innovation Challenge, and we are so honored to be able to collaborate with two universities, which are University Technology Malaysia, UTM, Architect Department, and Department of Sustainable Architecture, LKC, FES, UTAR, for this challenge. Now, with this challenge, we hope to foster a creative environment for you, our dear students, empowering you to explore the ingenious, the creative way incorporating the award-winning environmentally responsible materials, energy efficient system, and cutting-edge smart technologies in your architectural designs. And we always say this. Now, in a competition, it lies a lot in terms of the unwavering efforts and the fairness of our panel judges in selecting the finalists. And for this event, for this challenge, we are so honored to be able to invite architect Abu Zarim bin Abu Bakar, president of Malaysian Institute of Architects, PAM, to be our chief judge. Thank you so much for him to say yes to be our chief judge. Now, with that, I believe everyone, you have a good understanding about Taiwan excellence and you know who is our judge, chief judge. And now we are going to go in to talk more about our sustainable innovative challenge. Now, my dear students, my dear friends online from UTM as also UTAR, key in, ready if you are ready to hear more and get to know more about this challenge. Now, let me have a look. All right, okay. So I know that you are ready and you know that we are ready, and let's go in to share more about what is this challenge all about. Now, first of all, I'm going to share with you in terms of the overview of today's briefing sessions. Earlier on, we have talked about Taiwan excellence, and later on now in these sessions, I'm going to share with you the criteria. What are the things that you need to include into your proposal in this challenge? And later on, we're also able to invite some of our exhibitors who are award-winning brands from Taiwan Excellence, that they are going to share more with us in terms of their products. Yeah, so you can probably get some inspirations that you add in, you bring these products and bring it into your proposal. And of course, last but not least, throughout the sessions, if you have any questions, please do jot down, or you can key in into the chat room so that we can know what kind of questions that we can help you to clarify. Towards the end of the sessions, we are going to have our our representative from UTM as well as UTAR to help you to clarify some of the questions. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's go and know more about our challenge. Now, next in our slides, what you can see is this slide, this website. Now, this website is very, very important, which is the tesi.focustaiwan.com.my. Why is this website so important? Is because that for you to enter into this challenge, you must first register yourself. And the timeline is 5th of June. 5th of June. So please do take note on this date. Please register yourself in this website. So the next questions that come in mind, that who is eligible to enter or to register to join in this contest? The participant must be enrolled in interior design and also architectural in either UTM or UTAR upon time of submission. Now, this challenge is exclusive for you, our dear students who are in interior design and architectural. So it's up for you to take this challenge and seize this opportunity to join this challenge. In terms of the submission, the competition is open to individual submission only. So it's individual submission only. And what to submit is the proposed typology is sustainable single building for the future living. As for the site scale and project scale is 6 meter times 6 meter plot with 2-story height shelter. Yeah. So my dear friends, if you feel that you wanted to screenshot, you can feel free to screenshot anytime, or you can take photo if this information, you find these are very important for you to join this challenge. And all the information that I'm sharing here, you can find in the TESI Focus Taiwan website. But here today, I'm elaborating all these criteria, and at the same time, you can ask questions as well. Now, in this in this challenge itself, we are actually divided into two stages. Now, each entry is compulsory to adopt and apply the product of Taiwan Excellence products as primary design inspirations for the competition idea. Now, what to include is the overall design must include at least six or minimum 6 Taiwan Excellence products. Now, students or friends, is very important. So you must at least adopt 6 or minimum 6 Taiwan Excellence products. Out of the 6 products, one of the product, it has to be Taiwan Excellence, which will be exhibiting in Archidex 2023. One product from Archidex 2023 of Taiwan Excellence product, and the remaining 5 of the products, it can be Taiwan Excellence products, Taiwan Excellence award-winning products, which is from the 2018 to 2023. So what you are seeing on the screen now are all the products which is under the Taiwan Excellence product, which will be exhibiting in our Archidex 2023. So where can you find this product is you can click into tesi.focustaiwan.com.my, and you can go to the Taiwan Excellence at Archidex product tab, and you can find all the products will be exhibiting there in Archidex. All right. So, and as for these slides that you are seeing now is the remaining, what I mentioned about the remaining 5 products that you can select any of the award-winning products from Taiwan Excellence in between the year of 2018 to 2013 under the category of home construction materials and hardware products. Now, yes, you can see here, you can go into this Taiwan Excellence website and go in under the home construction materials and hardware products. And you can find the awards winning brands, which you can select year by year from 2018 up until 2023, which are the products which is under the award winning products. That's right. Okay, so I want to recap again because this is very important. Total, there are 6 products in total. So either you can select one from the products which is exhibiting in Archidex, the remaining 5, which are the Taiwan Excellence Award-winning brands from 2018 to 2023. But at the same time, you can also have the flexibility. Either you want to choose all 6 under the Taiwan Excellence product, which will be exhibiting in Archidex 2023. So you have the flexibility to either 1 or 2 or 3 or up to 6 of your choice. And the next up that we are going to go through is the mechanics. All right, so after you have to select all the products, the total minimum 6 of the Taiwan Excellence product that you want to include into your proposal under the phase 1, which the concept design stage, you have to prepare a 500 to 1,000 words of design brief to be submitted in A4 size layout in Microsoft and PDF format, and plus a digital copy of concept board, maximum 4 pieces in A2 boards in portrait format. Now, everybody, please take note on this. The submission timeline for stage 1, okay, stage 1 is 26th of June, latest by 11:59 p.m. All right, this is the first timeline for the stage one submission. And on 28th of June, there will be an announcement of the 10 finalists, ladies and gentlemen. Now, to all of our participants, you will be receiving a certificate of participations because we really value for your participations in this challenge. For our top 10 finalists, you will get another thing more, which is the certificate of merit and a special gift from Taiwan Excellence. As for our top 5 finalists, you will be entering into our next stage, which is the stage 2 for your next submission. Now, in the next phase, which is the second phase, or we call it as a second stage, this is called the design development stage. For our top 5 finalists, you are to prepare a series of in-depth design concept boards, and please submit in digital copy of A1 size in portrait format maximum 4 pieces. And the timeline for submission in stage 2 is 24th of July, latest by 11:59 p.m. And with the submission on the 24th, by 28th of July, the top 5 finalists, you will be invited to our Taiwan Excellence Pavilion at Archidex 2023 to share your live presentations. Now, this will be a very interesting and a very important session for you because you will be physically there at our Taiwan Excellence Pavilion at Archidex to share your story behind the design inspirations about your concept. And this is a time for you to impress and to wow your judges of your work, your proposal. And on that day, we shall know who are the winners, who is the champion. Now, we talk a lot about the mechanics, what to be included. So those are very important. And now let's talk about what is important in terms of what are the rewards. All right, the rewards is you will get rewards of 10,000 ringgit, okay? 10,000 total, 10,000 ringgit of cash prizes. And we will have the Best Design Awards. We have Green Innovation Award, Bronze, Silver, and Gold. Gold winner, you're going to take away with 5,000 ringgit cash prizes. And let's see who will be the winner on the 28th of July. Now, what you're seeing in this screen now are all the recap of all the timeline that I have shared with you earlier on, which is on the 5th of June. Please be reminded to register yourself. So my suggestion to you is after this online briefing sessions, log on to the website and register yourself. Then on the 26th of June, that is your stage 1 timeline submission. By 28th of June, okay, we will be announcing the top 10 finalists. And from there, the top 5 winners, the top 5 finalists will be entering into the next phase, which is our second phase. And your timeline for submission is on 24th of July. And on 28th of July, you're going to do a live presentation and we shall know who are the top winners from there. All right, so these are very important. Please do take note. So ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, so if you have any questions, please keep on posting your questions into our chat room so that we can help you to clarify at the end of our session. Now, in the beginning itself, I've also shared with you that we have the honor to invite our Taiwan exhibitors, the award-winning Taiwan exhibitors, for joining us today. And they will be sharing with us some of their innovative products in these sessions that you might put on your active listening, all right? And perhaps you will get some inspirations to add these products into your proposal. So if you throughout their presentations, if you have any questions, do jot down as well and also put it into the chat. After their presentations, then we will enter into a Q&A sessions to help you to clarify some of the things that you wish to. Today, we have 4 Taiwan Excellence Award-winning exhibitors will be joining us. Now, without further ado, I would like to invite our first exhibitors. She is Miss Christine. She's the Assistant Manager of Ferrocarbon. She will be sharing with us on the brand of Pekka. Pekka is the homeware brand that focuses on providing simplicity and practicality in storage solutions. Now, at this time, I'm going to pass the screen to Miss Christine. Over to you, Miss Christine.
Hello, everyone. This is Christine. It's my honor to be here to do 5 minutes presentation of introduce what we are and what Pekka can do for you. All our products are based on suction cups. So there are variety of suction cups here, not only for the hooks, but also holders, shafts, and so on. What builds the suction cups? It comes with the vacuum technology. As long as the surface is airtight, you can attack the suction cup wherever you want. Ferrocarbon groups. There are 3 brands belong ferrocarbon groups. We was built in 1989, starting from tiling tools, and suction cups were moving use. Later, we built 2 brands with our products, and today I would like to talk about FECA only. We have an innovation to change the products, but keeps the core of suction technology to design the home use suction cup. And there are this technology transfer is not just enough for home use. I would say it is way too much. You can see details that the loading capacity for industrial suction cup is from 40 to 200 kilograms, depends on how many cups you have. And there are 7 features of FECAs, such as rough surface, but airtight surface, waterproof, cold and heat resistant from -10 to 70, reusable, especially no drilling, no nails, and very stable. Let me show you how to use it to maximum. Firstly, make sure the place is clean before mounting. Secondly, find the position and press it. And number 3, push the lock and check it. And how to detect. Firstly, release the lock. Secondly, finger to pick up the rubber pad from the boundary to let the air into it, and you are good to go. Just make sure every time you remove the cup is from the rubber pad, not the plastic body parts. Otherwise, it will be easy to fall apart. Yeah, this is the way to show you how to maintain the suction cup and let the lifetime longer. You use the tab to clean the surface and never brush the rubber pad. All right, let me show you what type of the surface that you cannot mount it. The cracked tile, mosaic tile, you cannot mount it because the air will go through. And also the nature stone and contract wall. Also the nature timber paint board. And also the paper wall, of course. And let me show you what kind of wall that you can mount it. That is the one you need to learn. It's like the glass or aluminum or complete tile and acrylic. Also the plastic surface. All right, and now you are familiar with FECA suction cup. So I'm gonna show you 2 of our popular items from now on. Today, I'm going to show you the first one is the laundry net set. It's not only for collecting the dirty clothes, but also the toy. And there are 2 suction cups supporting it for you to attack on the side of washing machine, bathroom or bedroom. When you want to clean the stuff that you can throw it into washing machine with the whole laundry bag directly. And there are 2 sizes of the bag, 25 liters and 35 liters for your options. And the capacity for 2 cups is about 6 kilograms loading weight. And this is the marble Werner shape, the one that I really like to share with the students. It's an easy way to tidy the stuff in the limit space, as nowadays people would like to save the income, but also enjoy the convenience and clean space in their daily life. Especially for the renters, they don't want to spend their money on owner's house. To this point, the suction cups are the best choice because no drill, you may not allow to do it with owner's house, right? And also tool-free to mount it wherever you like. And this Werner, the capacity is about 12 kilograms, so it is pretty enough. So today, the most thing that I like to share with you is all the Feka suction cup that you have a chance to regret where you like to mount it. You always have the chance to carry it where you go. When you move in the house, when you change the room, it is always be with you. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miss Christine. You know, Miss Christine, when I listen to your presentations, there's one point that my eyes grow big, which is you mentioned about the loading capacity is from 40 to 200 kg. So I was thinking like, just one suction can, you know, like can hold on to 40 to 200 kgs. I thought it was really, really amazing. And I love the idea you talk about, you know, like can change. I have the chance to regret, you know, to put in different place. I thought that was really, really amazing. Thank you for sharing with us with this, the innovative products that's from Feka. Now, I have a question that I received over here that one of the students would like to ask about. Because in the market, right, there are quite a number of suction cups, and how Feka is like can be differentiated or unique from the others, the one in the market. How would it say? What is the uniqueness of Feka compared to the one in the market?
Very colorful, and it never failed, like the macaron.
Okay, wow.
Color.
Okay, I thought that is really amazing when you now my dear students, my dear friends are online, right? When you think of macaroon, like what Miss Christine mentioned, you can think of Feka, you know, the suction cup, and it is very colorful. And just now I saw it looks like somehow like an elephant as well, the design.
It is.
Oh, okay, it is. Wow. Okay, so when we talk about the design, right? Can I understand from you, like what is the inspirations behind that creates so many products with suction cup? What is the inspiration behind?
Because nowadays people like to move in house, change their decoration their house, and this is the idea come up. So you don't need to spend too much money for change your decoration, or when you move in the house, especially for the student, they rent the house all the time. But how to keep the space tidy? They need the very nice suction cup to support it, and the suction cup can move with them when they change to next.
Wow, okay. I think this is a really good, you know, good product, and at the same time, you know, not only for students, it is also cost saving as well, because we don't need to, you know, drill the hole on the wall, or you can bring it to a next place. All right, thank you so much, Miss Christine, for sharing with us about Feka, the suction cup. I thought it is really amazing product. Thank you so much. And I believe our students, you also get some idea from it. The macaron, the elephant suction cup from Feka. Well, next up in our agenda, I would like to invite Mr. Jason Key. He is the director of Innolux Corporations. Innolux is an innovative company that provides advanced display integration solutions. From vibrant, immersive LCD panels and advanced touchscreens to now high-tech self-dealing window, Innolux continue to push the boundaries of visual experience. And now I would like to pass the floor to Mr. Jason. Over to you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jason. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you well, Mr. Jason.
Okay, I'm Jason from Innolux, which is an LC display company. LC stands for liquid crystal. I'm glad to be here today to share with all of you about our LC windows. In the next few minutes, I will give you a quick introduction of LC window. Okay. Sunlight is essential for all living things. So in buildings, people rely on windows to bring natural light indoors. Along with sunlight comes glare and heat that can enter the space. And to tackle this issue, I think people traditionally use blinds or curtains to block the light and heat. But however, they cut the connection to outdoors and often sacrifice the outdoor view, compromising the aesthetic design of the building. Like this, if you pull down the blinds, you won't be able to see the view outside the window. Additionally, from the outside, you will see the massive blinds like this, which ruins the aesthetic appeal of the building. So, what's the better choice? I think the better choice is very clear. Definitely is our LC window. Today, I will use this page to introduce the features and benefits of smart dimming windows. Our smart dimming windows is a type of smart smart windows that allow you to adjust the light transmittance. So if you find the sunlight outside too glaring, you can dim the LC window. But if it is a cloudy day, you can make the LC window more transparent. By adjusting the light transmission, you can create the most comfortable indoor lighting. And the biggest difference between LC windows and other smart dimming windows lies in fast response and natural dimming. Unlike other technology that takes several minutes or even more than 10 minutes to adjust, our LC window can accomplish it within 1 second. When dimming, LC windows maintains a natural dims without any color distortion, such as a bluish or purplish tint. So the quick and natural dimming of LC window makes a significant impact, and it not only improves the comfortable of indoor living or working spaces, but also enhance productivity. LC windows offer the choice of normally dark and normally transparent when it's not powered. Additionally, it provides the flexibility of custom shapes and sizes, allowing for unique design like spherical buildings with triangle LC window. Check out this cool picture on the right side. It's a restaurant. It's a restaurant in Europe where our LC partner got creative with triangle LC windows. They design spherical buildings, and I think it's just amazing. For your reference. Okay. And LC window can automatically adjust its light transmission based on outdoor lighting conditions and ensuring the most comfortable indoor lighting. If you want individual control over specific windows on certain floors or areas, our LC window interface allows for easy adjustments. Okay, unlike blinds or curtains mentioned earlier that sacrifice the view outside, our LC window eliminates the need for such window covering. It not only preserves the aesthetic appeal of the building, but also prevents dust mite accumulation and allergens. So our LC window retains the original views and maintains the beauty of the building exterior. So last but certainly not least is sustainability is the most important. Our LC window contribute to energy efficiency and carbon reduction by dynamically adjusting light transmissions. So in other words, when the windows become darker, they provide better insulation, resulting in reducing air conditioning usage and energy consumption. On the other hand, when the windows become transparent, they allow more, natural light to enter and reducing the need for artificial lighting. Furthermore, LC windows offer UV protection. This feature enhances the surface life of indoor materials and ensures a healthier and safer environment for everyone. Okay, the last 2 pages, I would like to share a couple of real-life examples of our LC window installations to give you a better understanding. This is a cafe in Taipei. As you can see the video on the left, when you look from the inside to the outside during the day, each window can be individually controlled, allowing for customized patterns. And the video on the right side showcases that the view from outside the building at night, looking into the interior. And this is another real case using LC window in the sunroof of the building. If you can see, this is the video showcase that it can individually dimming by each window. That's all. So I hope this brief introduction helps you gain a better understanding of our smart dimming LC windows.
Thank you.
Yeah. So if any question, feel free to ask.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much to Mr. Jason. You know, Mr. Jason, after listening to your sharing, right, the one thing that I want to show it to you is this product is so cool. Just now I learned from you. Okay. Yeah, this is a very cool product.
Thank you.
Yeah, because with the smart dimming LC windows, we no longer need to compromise our view from outside. Yeah. So this is definitely a real cool product. Now, Mr. Jason, just wanted to understand from you, because I see from your, your sharing through the window, is this product is like, like the auto lightning is, the lighting is like auto turn on and off. I just want to understand from you, like, what are some of the technology highlights or breakthrough of the smart dimming LC window? What are the technology highlights or the breakthrough?
Oh, okay. I think if you want me to give you a takeaway, right? So I think this is a super friendly product for us and human, and I mean it creates the most comfortable indoor living environment, and it's no need for blinds, and you won't have to sacrifice the outdoor views. And the most important thing is LCW helps save energy and reduce carbon emissions and contributing to our planet's sustainability.
Yeah, I think this is really important because we talk about sustainability, which is the theme for our theme this year, which is the green living. Yeah, I think we all need to do that. And in terms of like what are some of the creative ways, and apart from being a window, right, what are the creative ways that the products have been used before? the creative way?
Actually, in Taiwan, we have several real exam cases in Taiwan, but actually, our partner, liquid crystal partner, comes from German, and they also have lots of real example in Europe.
Okay, so perhaps you can share with us more, okay, in the website that we can know more about the creative way. Yeah, thank you so much for your sharing. Like what Mr. Jason has mentioned, right? The product is very friendly, just like Mr. Jason. He is also friendly. You can see from his face, right? Okay, the way he shared. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again. All right, up next, we are going to our third presenter from our exhibitor. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Kevin Chen. He's the sales staff of Shanghai Brassware. So he'll be sharing with us on this brand, which is called Just Time Just Time. So Just Time is Taiwan premium brand for water faucets, shower head set, shower heads, shower mixer, and bathroom accessories. And it combines artistry with practicality to elevate our everyday experience. And now I would like to pass the floor to Mr. Kevin.
Thank you, Ashley. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Kevin from Just Time. And before I share the products with you, allow me to give you a brief introduction of our company. And our company was founded in 1976, and our brand, Just Time, was later founded in 1993. And we are the manufacturer of water faucets and bathroom accessories. And to further enhance Just Time's popularity, we never cease to expand our business. And until now, we have both domestic and overseas business partners and dealers in over 29 countries. And we feature in-house R&D designing and manufacturing processes. And each and every process is carefully inspected by our QC department staff. And for the products, we constantly receive positive feedbacks from our partners and dealers for its excellent design, as well as practical functionality. And we are also known for the excellent product quality. And for our products, there are no solder joints, so it looks more integrated from the exterior. And in valuing the environmental sustainability, we adopt recycled brass, stainless steel, and aluminum as our raw material. And we are also very proud of our notable achievements. For the past decades, we have been a winner of many domestic and overseas design awards. These awards are not only the guarantee, but also an endorsement to our product quality. But the track record we are proud of the most was back in 2016, when we were the first sanitary ware brand in Asia to win this IF Gold Award. So to win this award, we attended an additional round of selection. So it was never easy to win this award. Okay, so now let's share the first product with you, which is the Taiji series kitchen faucet with pull-out sprayer. So the Taiji series collection successfully portrays the gentleness and beauty of the Taiji motion, which is the notion of soft against hard. And for the product and for the aspect of yin and yang, we developed two types of faucet, which represent femininity and masculinity. So this new kitchen faucet inherits the Taiji series collection that I just mentioned. It not only has the beauty that a modern kitchen requires, as well as the functionality that is able to meet the need of the modern kitchen. So for the real scale of this faucet, please refer to the specification graph on the right. And as for functional aspect, as you can see on the left, there are two types of water outlets, which are spray stream and aerated stream. And you can easily switch between the two water outlets by controlling the switcher on the side of the sprayer. And for a more convenient washing experience, as you can see on the right, the spout is 360 degrees swivelable. And this could also meet the need of potential needs of double sinks as well. And the sprayer is 30 centimeters extendable, so it would be easier for you to wash the sink. And it would also be more convenient if you are washing a taller or larger objects. And because of its aesthetical appeal and the practical functionality, this kitchen faucet is also the winner of 2022 Red Dot Design Award and Chicago Good Design Award. And the second product we will be sharing is the Yes series sprayer, along with a braided hose and a bracket. So the Yes series collection is based on the alphabetical letter Y. And its design is simple but unique. And as you can see, it forms a 120-degree angle between the holder and the water outlet. To use this sprayer, as you can see, just press the push button on the top, so you can easily control the water volume, which makes the washing experience more convenient and hassle-free. And because of its practical functionality and its simple but unique design, the sprayer is the winner of 2016 IF Design Award, Taiwan Excellence Award, and 2015 G-Mark Design Award of Japan. And that would be all for the introduction. Thank you for your attention.
Wow, thank you so much to Mr. Kevin. So what I've gotten from your sharing just now is, Just Time is just a award-winning brands. You have taken so many awards, and I thought that is really amazing. And then after hearing your, listening to your sharing, I thought of doing Tai Chi now. One left, one right. Yeah, I thought this is really amazing, and I thought I really like the design, and it's very contemporary. And talk about Tai Chi, when you have the visual. I felt that okay, when you turn, you have the visual like turn left and right, right? That's what I'm imagining. Turn left and turn right. Now, thank you for your sharing. And now I have some questions over here for you from our students. And can you share with us, right? Just now you share with us a lot of designs of your water faucets. What is the inspirations behind of all this design of water faucets?
One of our inspiration was from the famous sculptor called Mr. Zhu Ming. He is very famous for sculpting the Tai Chi movement with very soft, very hard rocks. So I think this echoes our with our inspiration. We also make the Tai Chi faucet out of hard metal. So I think our inspiration matches.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's the story behind for the Tai Chi series. Now, can you also share with us, right, how versatile is the faucet and how does it differentiate?
You mean the shape?
Yeah, in terms of the design, how versatile is a faucet and how does it differentiate with the water faucets which is now available in the market? In terms of the uniqueness.
I'm sorry, I don't get your question. You mean what's the difference between our kitchen faucet and the
maybe you can share. Maybe you can share with us what is the uniqueness of Just Time faucet that makes you different from the others.
Our faucet integrates aesthetical appeal with practical functionality. As you know that the living standard of people nowadays are elevating, and people want something that is beautiful and as well as practical. So I think our faucet successfully combines the two aspects.
Yeah. All right. I think this is very important, especially we are living in this this era, right? It has to combine the aesthetic plus the practicality together. Thank you so much for your sharing, Mr. Kevin, for Just Time Water Faucets. Now to our dear students, our dear friends who are now listening through the webinar, right? Perhaps you might be including this Just Time Water Faucets into your architectural design. All right, thank you so much to Mr. Kevin. And last but not least, I would like to invite Mr. Patrick, our exhibitor who joined us here in our sessions now. Now, Mr. Patrick, he is the Malaysian market representative from Addition Technology, who is representing YZ Tech. He will be sharing with us on the brand YZ Tech, which is started with a safety in mind, aiming to make every kitchen safer, better, healthier, smarter space with innovative technology of E+ auto off. That I'm going to pass the floor to Mr. Patrick Lee.
Hello. Hi, everyone. Thank you very much. Yes, YZ Tech, we are engineered to perform reliable products to let every family be safe and cook every meal with a peace of mind. As we speak, I guess it's almost close to dinner time. Many people are actually cooking at home, your parents, your wife, even it might be a husband cooking for you, waiting for you to come back home. So we are here to introduce a new technology to be able to make your kitchen safer, right? Sorry, I'm trying to get into the next slide. Okay, I will have to redo. Right. Okay. So in Malaysia, for example, there is quite a number of fires that is actually caused by household, and most of which are actually due to unattended cooking. Out of the 100%, 49% is actually taking up these sort of problems that happens in a household. Globally, there are also quite a number of situations where sorry, I'm trying to get to the next slide again. It's unable to control. I don't know why. Okay, yes. Yeah, so globally, out of 10, 4 out of 10, in fact, is also caused by cooking fire. These are some of the issues that are happening around the world. Plus the matter of fact that right now we are growing towards aging population. The problems with home unattended cooking, with the situation where we are always preoccupied with many things over the phone, emails, busy with our daily life and everything else. One way or another, there's quite a number of people who is actually having this problem, forget to turn off the fire while they're cooking, be it a soup or a water or whatsoever. So these are some of the key problems that we are facing on a daily basis. Next slide, please. Right, so let me introduce E+ Auto Off. This particular product is will be able to help you to turn off the fire if you forget to turn off at a preset timing. Next slide. Right, the products, play the video. The product is having a technology of a revolutionary motor, and this DC motor is operated with the control of a timer, with the electronic timer to be able to feed into almost every different type of cooking hob, and these particular products are be able to use in existing hob as well as the new hob. So it's very sustainable because you are actually renewing technology into your existing hob. So the design is also very universal, so that it's able to fit in all the different types of hob that we use at home, be it a new project or an existing project. All right, if you are using a new hob, or you can actually install into a existing hob. Next slide. I'm unable to control the slides. Right, and the product is very simple to install. In fact, it's almost DIY. You can use it. We have sold many units, over a few hundred thousands of units in Taiwan, and it's very seamless in design. So you don't have to pick up a new skill to operate the product. You can install into existing hob to renew the technology, to turn a mechanical hob into an automatic hob. The operation is almost very seamless and ready to use anytime. It has a preset. This particular model has a preset timer with 20, 40, or 60 minutes. Why 20? Because generally, based on our survey, most of the time and most of the people will be able to get the food cooked within 20 minutes. If longer than that, probably you're stewing a soup. So if you are stewing a soup, then probably you need a longer time. You can actually preset them to a longer time, 40 minutes or 60 minutes or even longer. So the product is very flexible for you and able to change different timing. So in case 20 minutes with a minimum timing, if after you finish cooking or boiling water and you're attending to something else, you tend to forget, then the machine will be able to help you to turn off automatically. Right, next slide, please. And it's fit almost to every different type of hob. Over on the right side, you can see the two examples. Typically used in Malaysia, new home are using those kind of built-in hob. And some prefer to have a portable one, like the one at the bottom. So these hobs are actually used almost everywhere. And our E+ auto off be able to fit into all these different hobs. It's being tested with more than 3,000 cyclic tests. So 3,000, it can, it's 3,000 cyclic tests is meaning to say that you forgot to turn off your hob for 3,000 times, because it's tested on a mechanical motor. It's also water resistant up to IPX2, tested with through the SGS laboratory. And of course, while cooking, there's heat resonated. So heat is being tested as well. This product is able to withstand up to 142 degrees Celsius. Not direct burning, of course, but of course, while you're cooking, heat tends to build up. So at a 7.5 meter away heat source, up to 142 degrees, then it starts to turn shape. Next, please. We have two particular models, EN02 and TY09. And EN02 is a preset timer, whereas TY09 you can set it all the way up to 99 minutes. Next, please. And I'm going to show you a video of how to operate this particular product. Turning on the fire is exactly the same as what usually people turn on the fire. All right, and you can set it to your desired timing, and it can go all the way up to 99 minutes. Right at the last minute of the timing, of the preset timing, it will sound off the alarm. So if you still don't hear it, it means you forgot it, right? The machine will be able to help you to turn it off automatically, mechanically, right? Using a motor drive to turn off your fire mechanically. Next, please. So our products, it's like CN02. It's also catered for young generation. You can choose different covers of your desired design. You can change it whenever you want to. It's very sustainable because you change the design without changing the entire machine, right? So just basically the cover only. There again, we are talking about sustainable design, sustainability, reuse and renew. Next, please. The products, and you can click on, you can use it for different hobs. Next, please. go on. Yes, thank you. Right, so you can turn the hob into all different types of design, and the product is certified under international certification like CE. We are under the BS, EN, IEC as well. We have also tested based on the electronic noise emission, FCC. The product is also tested on high temperature at 140 degrees Celsius at 7.5 cm away from the fire source. And it's being tested 3,000 cycles at 1.5 kilogram load. 1.5 kilogram load is generally the strong. I mean, even for a man to turn 1.5 kilogram can be quite an effort already. So anything more than that, I don't think anybody will feel very comfortable with that. So it's tested at a very high level of standards in terms of cycle. And besides that, we also have this SGS test on IPX2. That is the water resistant testing. Right, we next please. We have won many design award as well along the way. We have innovated this product back in 2017 and launched in the market in 2018. 2019, we have won the Taiwan Innovation Awards. And besides that, we also have won quite a number of other innovation awards across Taiwan. Even in Malaysia Architects, we have won a Star Award last year as well. In France, we have won the Innovation Award in this concourse, Le Pen. Right, this is my last slide. I hope that you enjoy my presentation. And I hope that during your competition, while you're designing the kitchen, think about renewing and reusing products in order to make it a sustainable design. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Patrick. Thank you for your sharing. And after listening to your presentation, I thought of asking the floor to all of our students and friends in the room, right? Have you ever forgot to turn off the fire? Yeah, for me, I do. It just happened probably like 5 days ago. I do have this problem, okay? Yeah, I definitely agree with you, because in our life, we are so busy, you have to attend to so many things, then we tend to forget to turn off the fire, or even you're using the digital one. Sometimes if we don't have the timer, we also forgot to set the timer sometimes. So with this YZ tech, yeah, the E+ auto off really can save life, okay? We are talking about saving lives. Now, Mr. Patrick, I thought this is a very brilliant design. You know, it can also change clothes in terms of the design. Can you share with us, right? What is the idea? What is the inspiration behind that that come up with this E+ auto off product?
Yeah. So our founder, Mr. Tu, he's from Taiwan, obviously, and he happens to have this encounter when he visited his mom one day. Being an engineer, his mom is also because knowing that his son is coming to her house to visit her, she's trying to cook a nice meal for him, and she forgot to turn off the fire. So it actually ruined the entire dinner. And because of this encounter, he feel that he has to do something about it. Plus the matter of fact that not just Taiwan, across the world, even in Malaysia, for example, I've done a study on this in Malaysia as well. Over a period of time of the next 5 years, there's an increase of at least 50% of people who are age 65 and above. Right, we are living in an aging population, so that is a concern. So Mr. Tu, because of his engineering background, he decided to come up with a product to be able to help his mother. In fact, he's only that time his intention is just to help his mother. So that's why he came out with this particular product. But along the way, across some friends' discussion, so that's why because of that he wants to make it commercialized. So the product is only introduced back in 2017, and 2018 it started to sell in the market. And because the pandemic hit, because of that, in Taiwan alone, there's more people cooking at home. So that's why because of that, it's selling a lot in Taiwan. But now we are opening the market into Southeast Asia.
Oh, okay. So now it's available in Malaysia as well for this product?
We are launching it during Archidex. And
Oh.
yes, yeah. And I'm also now currently discussing with a few dealers, potential dealers in Malaysia. So once the product is available, you probably can see them in Facebook launches and things like that.
Yeah, thank you so much. I think I'll be one of them who's gonna like jump into it and buy it, which I really need it. Yeah,
Thank
anyway,
you so much.
things happen for a reason, you know, for Mr. Tu to come up with this product which can help the world. Thank you so much for your sharing, Mr. Patrick. Right, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much to all of our exhibitors, for passionately sharing with us about your innovative products from your company. At the same time, we have also 3 exhibitors, which they are going to share with us about their innovative products through a short video. Now, let's go in for our first video and tune in for Alaska. Alaska, this brand is going to share with us the fans, how the fans are created. And let's put your focus onto the screen. All right, okay, that is our Alaska fans with its very contemporary design. Now, to my dear friends who are online for joining us with webinar, if you have any questions in regards to exhibitors like Alaska, you can put your questions in, browse through their website and post your questions and ask them. Thank you so much on that. And next, we're going to the next exhibitors, who is BenQ, who will be sharing with us, showing us the innovative green building materials PDLC Smart Optical Film. Let's put our focusing eyes to the screen. All right, that is our short video from Ben Q sharing with us on the Green Building Materials PDLC Smart Optical Film. And next, last but not least, is a creative video from JLA on the sensor flush kit on how one device can easily switch your toilet to touch-free. Wow, this is a very interesting DIY way of the touch-free sensor flush kit. Now, my dear friends who is joining us in webinar, that is all the sharing of presentations from all the Taiwan Excellence, seven of our exhibitors sharing with us of their innovative products. If you have any questions, dear students, keep coming in because now in the sessions going into the Q&A sessions where if you have any questions, things that you wish to clarify, this is the best sessions because to make sure that you join in the register for this event, this challenge, and to make sure you know all the details, right? This is the good time that you can post your questions right here because I will have our representative, our VIP from UTM as well as Utah will be joining us. First of all, I would like to invite Dr. Leng Pao Chung, Dr. Noor Izura, and also Dr. Mohammad Ezat from UTM joining me here, as well as Dr. Tan Kok Hong and also Dr. Lim Po Im from Utah for joining us for this Q&A sessions. Hi everyone. Good to see all you joining us here and sharing be with me together to attend some of the questions from our students in regards to today's challenge. This challenge is about Taiwan Excellence Sustainable Innovation Challenge online briefing. Now, I believe like a lot of students, right, when we wanted to join in for this challenge, right, there will be a lot of questions. Like one of the things, right, if I am position myself as a student, perhaps I'll think of what is the key requirements of the challenge. Like what are some of the key requirements of this challenge? Can I invite our dear VIPs, anyone would wish to take on these questions, like what are some of the key requirements of this challenge? Perhaps, can I invite Dr. Leng?
Okay, hi, good days. Thank you, Ashley, for the questions. So probably in this case, I would like to share some tips with the students. As you can see here, this is a sustainable competitions. So basically, we can divide or we can distribute the 6 major factors, which is considered as a winning criteria, such as the sustainable concept based on the ESG, and the design should actually be incorporated with the sustainable concept that aligns with the environmental, social, governance, which is the ESG principles in this case. So this involving and considering the environmental impacts as well as the social responsibility, ethical governance practice in the design. So if the participants able to highlight this in their competition brief, that will be good. Okay, the other one will be design innovations, which would showcasing students able to showcasing the innovative, the creative solutions that push the boundaries of the traditional design approaches. So that would be demonstrate the originalities and the uniqueness of the fresh perspective in this case. But yeah, furthermore, we also will look into the critical thinking design process. So as a winning entry, it should showing strong foundations of the critical thinking as well as a systematic design process. So participants, you can use the opportunities to highlight that in your boards as well. The placemaking will definitely be one of the important criteria in this case. As a house that we want to live in a more comfortable environment, it will be good if you can turn the living environment into the placemaking environment. Forward thinking as well as the graphical communication will be also one of the criteria that is important as a winnings.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Ling, for sharing about the key requirements of this challenge. Yeah, thank you so much. And what I heard from you is the sustainability to include the ESG, then the design innovation to push to push this idea in, as well as the critical thinking. That's one of the very major considerations of the whole overall challenge. Now, thank you so much, Dr. Ling, for your sharing. And also, can I also understand, right? Because we talk about like because I'm a student, I do receive a chat from one of the students saying that, I have friends from other universities and I wish to bring in my friend to join in for this competition. Yeah, can they join as well in this challenge? Can I have our VIPs to attend this questions? Perhaps can I have Dr. Tan?
Yeah, thank you, Ashley. Okay, for these competitions, because we set it as an individual competition, so you only allow one entry per person. We also make it to competitions only comprising of UTM and Utah. So we are not actually open up to other university except for these two universities. So the participants should be coming from both university and also one single entry per person. Okay. Thank you.
Wow, okay, that means for this challenge, right, it's only exclusive for students from UTM as well as Utah only. Yeah, so I think this is really to our dear students who are now in webinar, grab this chance, seize this opportunity to join in this challenge. Yeah, now we will go in for the key takeaways. Yep. All right, so thank you for all of our VIPs joining us for this Q&A sessions. Thank you so much. And to our dear students, if you have any questions, please feel free to keep on posting here. And yeah, you can also log on to our website, right? The tesi.focustaiwan.com.my, that website, to get to know more about the information about this challenge. Now, thank you so much once again to Dr. Ling Pao Chong, Dr. Noor Izura, Dr. Muhammad Izzat, Dr. Tan Kok Hong, and also Dr. Lim Po Im. Thank you so much for joining us in this Q&A sessions to help our students to have a better clarity in terms of the competition. Now, I would like to once again invite our Taiwan exhibitors who have shared with us your presentations about innovative products. Now, I would like to invite them up onto the screen once again to help our friends from UTM as well as Utah to remember the takeaway from your presentation. You can just share with just one key takeaway from your sharing or from your presentation just now. Now, the first, I would like to invite Miss Christine, Assistant Manager of Becca Brand from Ferrocarbon, up on the screen to share with us the one key takeaway for our students.
Macaron suction cup be with you all the day. And you have the chance to regret all the time. That's it.
All right, okay. So you have the chance to regret, meaning to say to where you wanted to put the things. So you still have a chance to regret with Becca. Thank you so much from Miss Christine. Next up, I would like to invite Miss Jason Key, the Director of Innolux Corporation. Over to you.
Okay. I think LCW create the most comfortable indoor living environment, and there's no need for appliance, and you won't have to sacrifice the outdoor views, and helps save energy and reduce carbon emission. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much to Mr. Jason. With Innolux, you don't need to sacrifice your view. You still can have your very beautiful outside. All right, thank you so much from Mr. Jason. And next up, I would like to invite Mr. Kevin Chen, who is a sales staff representing Just Time from Shanghai Brassware. Over to you. Mr. Kevin?
Okay, thank you, Ashley. So I think in Just Time, design ideas are limitless. And remember that in Just Time, beauty and functionality can always coexist with each other.
Whoa, all right. That's right. From Just Time, beauty and functionality is always combined together. Thank you to Mr. Kevin. All right, next up, I would like to invite Mr. Patrick Lu, the representative of YZ Tech from Malaysian's market, representative from Additions Technology. Over to you, Mr. Patrick.
Right. One key takeaway is design your project with sustainable design, innovation with new technology, adding new technology into our lifestyle, right, to improve our well-being and safety. Happy cooking.
Okay, all right. So the one very catchy word is happy cooking with YZ Tech E plus auto off. All right. Thank you so much. It's in combine of the sustainability, the innovations to improve the sustainability. Yeah, to improve our kitchen, the safetiness. Thank you so much for Mr. Patrick for your sharing on the one key takeaway. And yes, to our dear friends, our friends from webinar, that's all the overall presentations as well as the key takeaway. Now, to all of our lecturers and also professors, is there anything that you would like to add on in terms of that you wanted students to know more about this challenge? Yeah, if you have anything to add on, right, you can just unmute yourself and share. Right, let me have a look. All right. I think things are all good. Okay, all good. I think if let's say our dear friends from joining us from a webinar, right? If you have any questions, just log on to our website to get to know more about the information. At this time, I would like to invite all of our friends who are joining us here to please turn on your camera because we are going to take a group photo together. Now, this is the best good time, to capture this very important day. That's about our online briefing about the Taiwan Excellence Sustainable Innovation Challenge. Can I have everyone to please? All right, from our Zoom here to take a group photo, and everybody, that's 3, 2, 1, smile. Continue. And okay, next pose, everybody, show your love. Okay, this love. We show a small love, or you want to make love? Okay, we show love here. Now, everybody, let's do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay, got it. We have captured all your smiley face as well as your love sign photo here to capture the moment of today's. Thank you so much for joining us. Now we have come to almost the end of our sessions already. Before we sign off from this link, right? I just want to do one last reminder to everyone. So who still remember the timeline for registrations? Key in into the chat now. Key in into the chat now. Key into the chat. What is the timeline for registration? It's 5th of June. Okay, it's 5th of June, ladies and gentlemen. So please key in into the TESI, TESI.focustaiwan.com.my to register yourself. Yeah, only with registrations, then you can only enter into this challenge. And the next phase is definitely going to our first phase. That the submission timeline is on the 26th of June, 26th of June. But for now, let's go in for the first step. That is the 5th June registrations. And you might be the winner to grab away the total prizes of the 10,000 ringgit Now, inside we have different cash prizes for different winners. Now, of course, aside from the cash prizes, I think what is more important, it is the journey itself. It is the experience that you have throughout the whole journey in joining this challenge. And at the same time, it could be also a good profile for you, for your future career path. With that, thank you so much for all of our exhibitors, to all of our lecturers, professors who are joining us today, and of course to all of our friends from UTM as well as Utah joining us in this online briefing. And what I want to say is Taiwan excellence, everyday excellence, and we hope to receive your proposal very soon. And have a nice day. Bye.